Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here I have a Solis Crema SL70. This machine was brought in because it wasn't turning on, or it was kind of intermittently turning on and off. And so on disassembly, we discovered that the brew switch had, one of the attachments to it for some reason had fried. I guess I had just a impulse of electricity and just kind of like burn off the end, and so it was just kind of hanging there and not really attached. So went ahead and replaced it and reattached it, and now the connection seems good and is working well. So here it is, and we'll test it. You can see that it's on. Hopefully our coffee mass and grind are suitable for the machine. Oh, there, building up pressure. A little slow, but looking good otherwise. This is a pressurized basket, so you can expect resistance. And we're gonna stop this about here at 1 ounce. We'll activate the steam here. Let's give it a minute to kind of heat up, build some pressure in the steam wand, and then we'll open the valve. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah. You see the steam is cooking now. I've got the air purged out of the wand for the most part. You can see it's consistently building pressure. Alright. There it is. Solis Crema working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.